Because you have subscribed, because you have liked, and because you have shared, I have free gift for you. Hello great minds, welcome to my YouTube channel. This has become one of my favorite things to say ever since I started this YouTube channel. I love the community that I'm creating, and I love that you are a part of that community. If you are new here, my name is Temitope Grace, and on this YouTube channel, we talk about faith, medicine, and finance. You would enjoy the conversation here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification button so that you can be notified once a new video drops. If you're a returning subscriber, you have my heart already. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for coming back to watch. I hope that you are gaining value. I made a video earlier where I was talking about a category of people called NW, high earners, not rich yet. And doctors happens to be under this category. In that video, I talked about how doctors can transition from this category of high earners, not rich yet. It's something that would interest you. I'll leave the link in the description. You can just click it immediately after you finish watching this video, and you're going to learn a whole lot of things. So in that video, I mentioned that one of the ways the doctor can transition is by enlarging his library, improving of what he reads. Jim Rohn once said that formal education will earn you a living, but self-education will earn you a fortune. And this is the reason why we are having this conversation. On this video today, I'm going to be recommending 5 books on personal finances that every doctor should read that would help you change your paradigms concerning money, concerning business, concerning finances generally. And number 1 book that I'll be recommending today is The Doctor and His Money. It is written by a doctor for the doctor. I mean, someone that haven't been there, done that, he know exactly how it feels. This man runs chains of hospitals in Nigeria. He is into hospital and hospitality business. He has been in business for 30 decades. He talks about the doctor and his mindset, the doctor and his pocket, and how to run healthcare business in the 21st century. Don't you want to learn something from him? He shared a whole lot in that book, and I feel like personally this should be like a basic book for every doctor out there. The second book I'll be recommending today is The Position Physician. This book is written by a Chinese doctor, also a serial entrepreneur. In this particular book, he shared his journey, his success stories, failures, I was able to transition from the conventional medicine into the business of medicine. I mean, he shared a whole lot that I believe that will actually help you to be positioned. The third book I'll be recommending is The Philosopher's Guide to Personal Finance. This book is written by an anesthesiologist based in the US. He's also an entrepreneur and a life coach. Basically, he shared his own journey from financial struggle to financial freedom. It is something that will interest you, and I know that you want to learn how it is done, because really when we see a kind of life that we desire, I think that the next thing we should do is to go and learn how it is done. So this man actually shared his success stories. The fourth book I want to recommend is The White Coat Investor. Yes, I get it. Not everybody might end up owning their own hospital, building their own hospital and all of those things, but I think that everybody is an investor. Yes, it's just that what you invest in is different. Everybody invests time in something, invest energy in something. You can invest in skill, in relationship. You are investing in yourself. But when it comes to investing in the money market, you need to learn about it, because there cannot be investment without investigation. So this book just examines different investment platforms, how to manage loan. It talks about how to manage debts, the good debt, the bad debt. It just talks about certain financial basic principles that every doctor, every professional out there should know. And I think it is very important that you familiarize yourself with these things and you learn them. The fifth book I'll be recommending is The Mayo Brothers. This is the biography of the founders of the Mayo Clinic. The renowned Mayo Clinic started from the mind of 2 brothers that dared to step out of bedside to boardroom. They saw opportunity and they turned that skill that they had into business. And look at what Mayo Clinic has become today, because it started from the mind of those 2 people. There was just something about the thinking process and that entrepreneurial spirit that, that I saw in them when I read this book. And I think it's something that you also want to read. It just have a way of helping you enlarge your possibility mentality and just enlarge your horizon, basically. I know you're wondering, why am I bringing books like that tailored specifically for healthcare workers? I intentionally searched for these books tailored for healthcare professionals. Why? Because I want you to learn that thing that is not taught in medical school. You know, there is something about when somebody of your kind writes something and you can relate better. So this is the reason why I intentionally picked and recommend these books. Of course, there are other books about this topic written by other people, a lot of it, but these ones I've read them and I can tell you for free they are value packed, and you also want to check them out. I know you have screenshot them, but which one are you buying first? So do you just only screenshot? Why have you not subscribed? Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much. Because you have subscribed, because you have liked, and because you have shared, I have free gift for you. So yeah, the free gift is that I have 2 of these books in soft copy, and I'll be willing to give to you wherever you are. All you just need to do, go to the comment section. Which of those 5 books do you think are available in soft copy? Once you get it right in the comment section, you have the book in your DM, so you can start leveling up. It doesn't matter what part you are in your journey, whether you're a medical student, whether you're recent graduate, whether you've even been practicing for years. What you don't know, you don't know. And it is never too late to start educating yourself as far as financial literacy is concerned. And this is why this YouTube channel is here, to fill that gap. I hope you have subscribed. Thank you so much, everyone. I will catch you in my next video. Till then, stay edified, stay educated, and remain entertained. Bye, guys.